Hello and welcome to DevTest Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove DevTest Workstation and all of its related files from a Windows system. And here you can see that I'm in Windows Explorer and I've already navigated to the DevTest installation directory, and you can see all the directories that were created as part of the Workstation install. I've also shut down Workstation because it has to be down before I can actually do the install. So I can either launch my Uninstall from the installation directory here, or I can launch it from the Start menu. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start, select All Programs, DevTest Solutions, and then select the DevTest Solutions Uninstaller. And that's going to bring up the Uninstall wizard. In this first screen, I'm prompted to confirm that I want to uninstall. And I do want to continue, so I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And here we have a decision to make. If you select this checkbox, the entire data directory and installation directory are deleted along with all the files that are located inside those folders. So before you completely uninstall, it's a good idea to create a copy of these directories in case you need them in the future. I'm going to go ahead and select this option and click Next. And now the uninstall is running, and we'll just wait for a minute for that to complete. And once it's complete, I can go ahead and click Finish. And you can see that my desktop icons have been removed. And if I go to the Start menu, you can see that DevTest is no longer here. And finally, in Windows Explorer, you can see that the entire DevTest directory has been removed. So I've successfully uninstalled DevTest from this Windows machine. And that pretty much wraps up the steps for uninstalling Workstation. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for viewing it, and this concludes uninstalling DevTest Workstation on Windows. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to go to the CA Service Virtualization product page, and from there you can access product documentation, support, or communities, and see the available learning paths.